How bomb is this? Does this not look like a Natural Girls perm rod set? Like, look. Bomb. If you want to see how I did this wig, stay tuned. Stay tuned.
New life, new mind, all things behind. I'm feeling so brand new, baby. Everything new, baby.
What is up to all of my kings and queens? It's your girl Alexus Crown here, and I am back with another video for you guys. So today's video, as you can see by the title, it's about this hair right here. This is a wig, okay honey? This is a wig. With this hair, I believe it's Kima, Kalon. I don't know how to pronounce it, but I used 4 boxes, and I used all 4 boxes because I wanted my hair to be big. Now, the hair was long. It was like right here, so I just kept fluffing and cutting and fluffing and cutting. I got long lengths because I wanted to sit on my shoulders, but I wanted to be able to dictate how long I wanted it. I like full hair, that's why I got 4 boxes. I'm doing a week of protective styling, and I wanted to do something that I will be able to conceal my hair but still have the look and the style that I wanted. So that's why I chose to do an afro. But I picked it out and brushed it out because honestly, crochet wigs and crochet method looks fake to me. I hate crochet wigs, but this to me, it doesn't look that fake. It honestly looks like I got a really good flexi rod set or a perm rod set. Or a bantu knot. Like, my bantu knot literally looks like this. So guys, I'm showing you halfway through the process what the hair looks like originally untouched. So we're gonna start off with the hook. So you need a hook to do this. Now what you're gonna do is you're gonna start off with a mesh cap, put the hook through the hole, put it all the way through the hole, and then the crochet hair has holes through it, so you're gonna hook the loop of the crochet hair over the hole, close the hook all the way, and then slide it back through. If the hook isn't closed, you're not gonna be able to slide it back through. So take the loop of the crochet hair and you're just gonna put the tail in through the loop. And what I do a double loop for security, so twist that in and stick it right back through, pull it all the way down tight on the mesh cap, and then separate the hair and continue on.
You don't know, bad man. Yeah. His body, baby, oh. His body, baby, oh. Yeah. It's a bad man thing, yeah. Bad girl make you wine to the bass, nah. Give me that thing where I go feel it, nah. The way you back it up, the way you bust in the place, nah. Oh, yeah. Steady on time, yeah, don't be late, nah. Said I'm in love with you, and I'ma give you anything you want, and I'ma give you anything you need. Bad man, yeah, wine I'm doing.
This is the wig halfway done. So I've just been like shaping and cutting and trimming on this side, and a little of the bangs. This side is completely untouched, so I just wanted y'all to see like the halfway mark of the difference in the sides. Alright y'all, so someone asked me last night, I'm doing a week of protective styling. So my hair is braided up and I have the braids sewn down, and I wear this. This is a wig cap, so this is what you would sew your bundles and your weave to. Somebody asked me in yesterday's video what type of cap did I have on, because you know it's not the standard mesh wig cap. I like this better because say you have clips or something. I had a wig on and I had the wig cap that had the holes in it and it was snagging on and I had to cut it. So this is literally smooth, nothing will get caught, nothing will snag. So here is the wig all picked out and cut. Well, I could honestly pick it out a little bit more, but we'll see once we put it on. So, moment of truth. Let's see here. Put it down. Cute. So I just take my brush and I kind of just fluff it out how I would do my real hair. Y'all see this? Tell me this doesn't look natural. Tell me this doesn't look like a bomb twist out bomb bantu knot. You cannot tell me this does not look like that. Y'all, this is bomb, okay? This looks amazing, y'all. Like, you cannot tell me that this wig is not bomb. Is this or is this not bomb? Is this or is this not a natural looking crochet wig? I love it. Like I said, as I go, I like big hair, so I honestly could, you know, brush it out a little bit more, things like that, but I just kept cutting and, you know, pulling out and brushing out to my liking. If you like the big curls that crochet hair comes in, there's plenty of people that make crochet wigs and leave the curls the way that they are. They just pull them apart. But me, I wanted like an afro looking wig. I wanted to do a protective style but still be able to have an afro. So if you want something to where, you know, you can give your hair a break, because like I've said 100 times on this channel, my hair grew by braiding it up and concealing it and leaving it alone. That means putting it in a protective style. Your hair will only grow, well, let me not say only grow, but my hair grows the fastest when I don't use like have it out and manipulate it and stuff like that. But people like for me to have an afro, so, and I like for me to have an afro, so that's why I chose this look. So if you enjoy videos like this, you want me to do more videos like this, giving you natural looking protective styles and natural looking wigs and weaves that are cheap that you can do yourself at home, be sure to comment down below and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps my channel. It really helps me gauge what kind of content you guys like. Also, before you go, I have another video right here for you that you can check out. It's also another protective style that I did literally 2 days ago. Now you guys don't have to watch it, but I think that a lot of you would like to, and it'll give you a different type of vibe and feel from me. I will see you guys in the next video. Thanks so much for tuning in. If you're not a part of the family, go ahead and subscribe because you're gonna keep coming back anyway. So I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye guys.